Hello everyone and welcome to day 5 of the launch week of MakeForms. I am Pratik, founder of MakeForms, and today we are going to take a look at something called as conditional logic to integrations. Okay, so what this really means is that you can now literally using the logic you can decide which particular integration will your data go to. So initially how these integrations used to work is that the moment you've received any response, you used to get that into an integration, like the data will be sent to your integration. So let's say, for example, right now I'm building this quote builder, okay? And what I'll do is I'll add a couple of fields like my name field, my email field, and my phone number, for example. Okay, now what I really want to do is that I do not want to, kind of have any lead that is having a total of less than say $5,000. Like I really do not want those leads to come to any of my integration. Like let's say I've connected a Google Sheets to this form, and I want that only those leads who have a total value of about 5,000 sent to my Google Sheet. So for that, the first thing that we'll have to do is we'll have to turn on the integration. So what I will do is that I will go ahead and I will activate my Google Sheet integration. So here you can see that I have an agency quote built, a Google Sheet created. Okay, so now we will go into the build phase. The first thing that we will do is we will quickly republish this form since we have added these details. And what we will do is we will open this up in a new tab. So this has the cache has not yet refreshed. Okay, so now here you can see that I have a total of $3,800. I am putting in my name at.com, and then you have something like this, and I'll submit this. The moment I do this, what will happen is that the details are in my Google Sheet. But here you can see that the total is less than 5,000, which is $3,800. So what we will now do is that we will go into the build phase, and here since we already have our integration turned on, what we will do is that we will go to the logic, and here I will add a logic which says that only if the total is greater than greater than or equal to 5,000, only in that case send the data to the integration. And here the best part is that you can actually decide to which integration you want to send. So let's say you have multiple integrations turned on, so you can decide like which integration will this data go to. So I say Google Sheet, and I will save this, and now what I will do is I will republish this form. So we'll wait for it to be deployed. We'll wait for a second for the cache to clear. We'll open it up and hard refresh. So just to ensure that this is like it has all the new values. So here you can see that right now we are at 4,800. I will just put in my details. Again, I'll submit this. So now logically you can see the details are not here since our quote was less than 5,000. What I'm going to do is I'm going to now go ahead and have this at 5,800, and now I will put in Pratik, and I will submit this. So now you can see that our total has been more than 5,000. So here you can see that the data is in the sheet now. So this is how, guys, you can literally, based on the logic, decide which particular integration will be triggered. This is such an amazing use case because we have seen people literally doing this on Zapier. Like they would connect the form to Zapier, and then they would literally use Zapier for kind of deciding the logic over there. So you can literally do this now within MakeForms, and this is such a powerful use case, like such a powerful feature for our automation use case. So go ahead, guys, get onto MakeForms account and try this feature right away. It's now live on MakeForms. Thank you, everyone. This was day 5 of the launch week of MakeForms. Bye bye. Pratik here from MakeForms.